talking about trigonometric identities again, right? Okay, let's say this one trigonometric identities part 4. Yeah, now we're going to discuss several questions about trigonometric identities. Okay, so let's start now. Okay, express sine 67 degrees cosine 21 degrees plus cosine 67 degrees sine 21 degrees as a single trigonometric ratio. Okay. Okay. To solve this question, you have to understand the combination formula of the trigonometry. Yeah. Okay. We are going to review the formula first. Sine A plus B. Sine A cosine B plus cosine A sine B, right? Let's say this one is minus, so it will be minus 2 here. And then the second one is cosine. Cosine A plus B equal cosine A times cosine B minus, right? Sine A times sine B. Okay, let's say this one is minus, so here will be positive. Okay, that's the reverse sign for the trigonometric. Okay, okay. The question is, students. The question is sine, cosine, cosine, sine. I think that's very simple, right? Sine 67 degrees plus, sine 67 degrees, and then cosine 21 degrees, right? Plus cosine 67 degrees, sine 21 degrees. Okay, students, you can give attention to this pattern, right? Sine, cosine, cosine, sine. And then you have to make sure the order is right. Okay, the position is in order. The largest one and the smallest one in order, right? 67, 21, 67, 21. So, which one the correct answer or the correct formula? To solve this one?
Sine.
Okay, good. So, the answer is one, right? So, the single pattern, the single trigonometric ratio is sine, open the bracket, 67. And then here is positive, right? Look at here, positive, positive, negative, negative. So this one is positive. So you have to follow the positive one. Positive, 21 degrees. Okay. So sine
You take
88 degrees. Finish.
oh,
Very easy, right? So the four alternating trigonometric, I think you have to follow sine rule. Yeah, sine A plus minus B, sine A cosine B plus minus cosine A sine B. Very easy, everyone. Question 2. Okay. Find the value of tangent 255 degrees in third form by using the addition formula. That's very easy. Okay, so very easy. Tangent 255 degrees. So better you go to tangent for the prefix 180, right? Is it? You should remember about 180, no change for naming. Okay? Just follow 180 degrees or 360 degrees. Okay, remember this one. Remember. If the prefix is 180 or 360 degrees, for the conversion, no change, right? No change for the conversion. Okay, no change for the conversion. But you have to check what you have to check the sign, right? The sign based on the quadrant. Based on the quadrant. You should remember what this one? Quadrant. Okay, review again one. Review. The first quadrant, the second quadrant, the third quadrant, and the fourth quadrant. The first quadrant, sign all is positive, right? All positive.
Yeah.
The second, only sign positive.
Sign.
Third, tangent positive,
Tangent.
right? And the fourth, cosine
Cosine.
positive. You still remember this one, right? Okay,
Yes.
now we go to the question. So how to modify 255, 180 plus 75, right? So that's the modification, right? So tangent 255 degrees means tangent 180 degrees plus 75 degrees.
55.
Okay? Okay, directly just tangent 75 degrees, right? For the previous 180 or 360 degrees, no change, right? But you have to check the sign based on the quadrant. So where is the quadrant of 255 degrees? 255 degrees lies on
Quadrant.
yeah, the third quadrant, right? The third quadrant, right? So who belongs to the B positive? Who belongs to the positive one?
Tangent.
Tangent. So what about our question? Tangent. Oh, math, right? So it will be positive. So tangent 255 means tangent 75 degrees. Clear? Okay, but the answer is not finished yet. You have to expand tangent 75 degrees. Okay, go. Tangent 75 degrees means tangent. Okay? Please come out the special angle.
60.
45
45.
plus 30 degrees, right? Is it clear? That's the special tangent, right? Remember this one, students. Remember about the tangent, okay? Remember about tangent. Tangent A plus B is tangent A plus tangent B, right? Tangent A plus tangent B, and then
One
minus
tangent A times
tangent A, tangent B.
B.
Is it clear, everyone? Right? Okay, go. So this one. So what about this one? Tangent 45 plus tangent 30. 1 minus tangent 45 times tangent 30.
30.
Is it clear? Okay, next.
Yes, sir.
Tangent 45, 1. Tangent 30, root 3 over 3. Okay? 1 minus 1 times root 3 over 3. Right, everyone?
Yes.
Is it clear? So, how to simplify this one? How to simplify? Okay, look at the denominator. The LCM is 3, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so better times by 3. Times by 3. Times by 3. For both, yeah? For both. So, automatically, you'll find, next, 3 times 1, 3. Root 3 over 3 times 3. Root 3. Is it? Over.
Yes, sir.
3 times 1, 3. Root of 3 divided by 3 times 3. Minus root of 3. Finish! Okay, next. Okay, question 3. Given that sine A equal minus 4 over 5, cosine B is minus 12 over 13, and that A and B are in the same quadrant, find sine 2A. The first step, you have to identify the position of A and B. Okay, check. Where is the position of A and B? Okay, there's the key. The first key or the first step is identify the position of A and B. Okay, can you check it? Okay, how to identify? The information here is the information. Sine A, this one here, sine A. Okay, sine A. Sine A equal minus 4 over 5. This one is opposite, right? This one is hypotenuse, is it?
Yeah.
4, this one is 5, right? Automatically here is 3. Okay, just remember the Pythagoras. Okay,
Yes,
now
sir.
about B. Okay, B. What is B? Okay, cosine B is minus 12 over 13, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
this one is what? And this one is hypotenuse, right? So 12 is here, 13 is here. Based on the Pythagoras, this one is 5. Alright, everyone? Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The information is both. Okay, the information both in the same quadrant, right? In the same quadrant. So, can you guess where is the position? Can you guess the position of A and B are in the same quadrant?
Kuadran, first quadrant ya?
No, sign is negative.
Oh, sine.
Sine A is
Oh.
negative, cosine B is negative. So where's the position?
Third quadrant.
What?
Third.
Yes,
Third quadrant.
quadrant 3. Yeah, or the third. Yeah, the third quadrant. Is it? So both angles lie on the third quadrant. Is it, everyone? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The conclusion is this is the conclusion. The conclusion, A lies on
Third quadrant.
third quadrant.
Third quadrant.
Okay. Third quadrant. That's the position. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here's the position, right? The third quadrant. Is it clear, everyone? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sine is negative, right? Cosine is negative, right? So the question is sine to A. Sine to A is, you can expand that to sine A cosine A, right?
Sir.
Okay, sine to A equal to sine A cosine A, right? Okay, next means to sine A. Sine A is this one minus 4 over 5,
Minus
right?
4 over 5.
Minus 4 over 5. So what about cosine A? Okay, here is fine. Cosine A is negative 3 over 5, right?
over 5.
Okay, minus 3 over 5. Okay. So, the answer is 24 over 25. Positive, right? That's positive. Is it clear, everyone? So,
Clear, sir.
so what about B? What is B used for? What is B used for? The information, right? Okay. No question for B, only to A, right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go. Next question. Okay. Express 2 cosine square cosine 13 degrees square minus 1 as a single trigonometric ratio. Very easy, right? Okay. So, what is the formula? The formula to remember. Okay, this is the formula, everyone. The formula. The formula to remember. Sine to A. 2 sine A cosine A, right? And then cosine to A. 2 cosine square A minus 1. Or 1 minus 2 sine square A. Or cosine square A minus sine square A. Right? What else? Sine square A plus cosine square A equal 1, right? That's the formula to remember, right? You have to remember this one. It's very easy to remember. Okay. Clear one? Okay, now what about the question? The question is express 2 cosine 13 degrees square minus 1 as a single trigonometry. So, can you choose the formula of this one? Which one the correct formula?
Cos
Among three,
A.
this one. Okay, among
Cos
3
2.
cosine 2A. Cosine 2A, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this one is cosine 2 sine
A.
13.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yes,
This
sir.
one, right? Is it?
Oh.
Okay. Look at it. Okay, look at the formula. 2a and then here will be a, right? So cosine 2 times 13 is 2 cosine 13 square minus 1, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
equal to cosine 26 degrees. Done. Finish?
Wait, sir.
Okay, go. Next question. Woo! Find the exact value of each of the following. Okay. Very easy, right? Okay, go. Okay, cosine 75. Okay, cosine 75 degrees. Cosine, please find to the special angle to form 75. It is,
45.
they are
45.
45 and 30. Okay,
30.
so cosine 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. So what's the formula of cosine? Okay, review again. The cosine.
Cos A, cos A, cos B.
Cosine A plus B means
Cos
cosine
A, cos A,
A,
cosine
cosine
B.
B minus,
Minus.
right? Sine A, sine B. So what about this one? When we put here negative, so it means here is positive,
Plus.
right? Is it? Okay, and then
Sure.
sine A plus B, sine A cosine B, right? Positive. Cosine A sine B. When we put here negative, so here is negative 2. So what about tangent? Tangent A plus B means tangent A plus tangent B, right? 1 minus tangent A tangent B, right? So what about negative? When we put here negative, here is negative, and here is
Positive.
right? So we have three formula, right? We have three formula to remember. That is one the formula. Remember this formula, students. Alright. Okay. We have three formula, right? I want to box this formula. Right, student? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go. So what's the question? The question is cosine 75 degrees. The modification is 45 and 30. Go! Cosine 45. Cosine 30, right? Negative sine 45, sine 30. Right, everyone? Next, cosine 45. A half root of 2. Root of 2. Cosine 30. A third root of 2. Sorry, no, wrong. Cosine 41 is a half root of 2. Cosine 30 is a half root of 3.
Root of 3.
Right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, sine 45, a half root of 2. Sine 30, a half. Right? Next, a quarter root of 6, right? Minus a quarter root of 2. We can simplify a quarter, open the bracket, root of 6 minus root of
2.
finish. Done. Okay, we go to question B. The question B. So what's the question B? The question B is tangent 19 pi over 12.
12.
Pi is 180 degrees.
180.
Right? 180 degrees. So by using calculator, 19 times 180, right? Divided by 12. We got 285. So here is tangent 285 degrees. There are one. So we can explain again. Okay. So please find the modification. Tangent. What do you think? 180. Okay, 180, right?
100
plus
plus 105.
105. Good. Go. So tangent 180 plus. Sorry. Modification first. Okay. 180. No change for the conversion of 180. So it means it will be tangent 105, right? Now, what about sine? 185. Where is the position is 185? Quadrant? Here. Fourth quadrant.
Fourth quadrant.
Right? Fourth quadrant, right? So what if the sine of fourth quadrant belongs to tangent? Negative, right? Negative. All sine, tangent, cosine. So tangent is negative. Is it clear?
Sir.
Okay, go next. Negative. Open the bracket. Tangent. Please find double two angles for 185.
45 and 60.
60 and 45. Okay, please you have to say or mention the bigger one for the first. Yeah. Okay, go. So mean equal minus, open the bracket. Yeah. Is it tangent 60 plus tangent 45? Is it 1 minus tangent
60
times
tangent 45.
Right? Okay, go here, right here, minus, open the bracket, tangent 60, root of 3, okay, tangent 45, 1, over 1 minus, tangent 60, root of 3, times tangent 45, 1, okay? Is it clear to you? So the answer is root of 3 plus 1 over root 3 minus 1. Is it? Do you understand the meaning of this one? So this minus belongs to the denominator. Minus times 1, minus 1. Minus times minus root of 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay? Okay. So this is the final answer. Okay? The final answer is 1. Okay. Clear? Okay. If cosine theta is minus 21 over 29, okay, you have to draw the diagram of the triangle, yeah? right angle triangle. Okay, here you are. Cosine theta is 21 over 29. Okay, we have to construct the triangle. Okay, so theta, cosine is 21 or 29. Can you guess how many here?
Wait, sir. Very
good. Okay, the information is theta pi over 2 and pi. So the quadrant is the second quadrant, right?
Second quadrant.
Yeah, the second quadrant. Okay, the second quadrant, right? Is it correct cosine theta lies on the second quadrant negative? Correct, right? Okay.
Correct.
For the second quadrant, cosine is negative. What about sine? Positive. What about
Positive.
tangent?
Negative.
That's the information. Now we are going to answer the question. Sine theta. Sine theta is 2.
2
Sine
cosine A equals A. Sine theta.
2 sine theta. 20 over 29. Cosine theta minus 21 over 29, right? So the answer is minus 840 over 841. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go. Part B. The question B. Cosine theta means 2 cosine square theta minus 1, right?
Sir.
So 2, so here is 1 here. 2 sine cosine theta in the bracket square minus 1, correct?
Yes, sir.
2 cosine theta minus
Minus
21
21
over
over
29 square
Square minus 1.
So 2 open the bracket 441 over 841, right? Minus 1. So here is 881 over 841 minus 1. Modify 881 over 841 minus 841 841. Is it?
Yes.
So
40.
8 how many?
40
over 841.
841.
The last. Tangent to theta. Tangent to theta is 2 tangent theta, right? Over 1 minus tangent square theta. You should remember this formula? Okay, go. 2 tangent theta. Tangent theta. Okay.
In cos
Tangent theta is negative 20 over 21. Okay, negative, right?
Yes, sir.
2 times, open the bracket, minus 20 over 21. 1 minus 20 over 21 squared. Is it? It's 4. How many here? Minus 40 over 21. Is it? Over 1 minus 400 over 441. Is it this? So it means equal. Minus 40 over 21 over okay. 41 over 441. Is it?
Yes, sir.
So equal on that. Minus 40 over 21 times 441 over 51. Cancel, 21, right? So we find how many here? We find minus
Minus 40.
minus 840 over 41. Okay. Finish. Is it there?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Ya.
Itu tan theta min 20 per 21 dapat dari mana, sir?
Here. Tangent, right? For a triangle.
Oh, oke, sir.